Hi, my name is Thijs. Not only am I the technical evangelist at Varnish Software, I'm also the author of this brand new Varnish 6 by example book. It's been out for a number of weeks, so I hope you've downloaded it already, maybe read through it, maybe even enjoyed it a bit. If you haven't got a hold of it yet, don't worry, simply go to our website to get a free copy at www.varnish-software.com or click one of the links in the description below. The reason why I'm recording this video is to invite you to our upcoming book launch event, a virtual event that takes place on June 16th in which you'll learn how to get the maximum value out of this book. I'll walk you through the book on a chapter per chapter basis and show you how the content is structured and where you can find the individual things you're looking for. I'll throw around information and random nuggets of knowledge, depending on your skill level, your industry, and maybe even tailored on your use case. But don't worry, there will be plenty of Q&A opportunities beyond the prepared content in which you can ask questions about your very specific use case, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. So mark June 16th in your calendar, and by showing up, you'll be basically given the cheat codes to the book. So not only will you learn how to use my book in a very quick and efficient way, it's also an excellent opportunity to learn and to master Varnish. June 16th, see you there.